Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we are picking few cards for your general energies, your career situation and your relationship. For your future, what hurdles you're facing. So Scorpios, I request you to watch this reading till the end. That way you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So, few more cards for your circumstances and your future. So, Scorpios, watch this reading till the end. We will start with this card here. In your circumstances, you're not so happy about something is not right. Maybe you're worrying about something. You may feel that you lack that trust or you lack understanding on someone. Maybe they were not what you expected, they were a little different or a little uh, not up to the way you are. So that may be the reason for some anxiety or stress in your situation, Scorpios. And we have Fool in reverse. So you are worried about something or stressed over certain things, and it may be because people are not like you. People are really careless. They are not devoted like you or honest like you. So that may be the reason that you are, what to say, you're quite worried or stressed. Um you are a little careless. You don't know how to take things, or it may be someone's energy that may be worrying you because they are careless. It may worry your situation in your career or in your personal life. You don't like the way they are with you or in your situation. And we have Moon in reverse, Judgment. So, just like I said, maybe they are not like you. They are not outspoken or honest. They have some hidden agenda, something behind, something they need to work on. And they are not telling you the truth. They are not giving you the right answer in something. They are very much difficult to handle and they are silent. Maybe you want to know something, you want to uh, see things with clarity, you want a very open communication with this person, but they are not talking to you. Again, that may be the reason for some troubles in your relationship. But situation is going to change very soon, Scorpios. Maybe whatever you have worked for, your dedication, your focus, and whatever you have done, the good things that are coming back to you multifold. So situation will definitely change very soon for you, Scorpios. So we have Queen of Cups in reverse and Five of Cups in reverse. So just like I said, maybe you may have some worries. You may have, though you are with them, you may feel that you cannot have that complete trust or you do not know them enough. You may have that feeling in your heart and you may feel that you cannot trust this person. But today everything is changing because there is something big coming for you. It may be a big news, a big message, something important is happening in your life. Something good, something positive. Things are going to be so, what to say, um, unexpected. It may be a message or a news from someone or a visit from someone. someone interesting is coming to you. Maybe this person is coming to visit you, surprise visit you, and they are going to tell you everything, how they feel or how they wish to change, or it may be something you wish to hear from this person. So they are going to come and tell you everything. Or for some of you, if you are in separation, if you have been away from a person you love for quite some time now, they are coming back. So, this person, it may be your past person, your ex. Maybe things were left unsaid. You wanted closure. You were wishing for some kind of closure. Maybe that person is coming back, or it may be a friend whom you have lost contact with for quite some time now. So, someone from your past is coming back, and that is going to give you peace of mind and happiness, because you wished to tell them a few things, you never had the chance, but today you are going to see them face to face. So Scorpios, more cards. It's 6 of Pentacles in reverse and 10 of Wands in reverse. So though things are a little difficult, there may be some misunderstanding, troubles, worries, but you will have people whom you can trust, people who support you no matter what, people who are kind and helpful, whom you can trust and whom you can, believe in, because they are someone very loyal, reliable, and they are truly concerned about your welfare. So the final 2 cards for your situation, Scorpios. It's 7 of Pentacles in reverse and Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So you have a lot of dreams, plans, and you are going to be very successful towards, towards achieving that. And you need to be a little, open minded, receptive. So, whatever this person is here to tell you, you must be able to listen to them. Only then you will know for sure what this person wishes to tell you, because they are coming with the news, and it is going to change everything in your life. So, whatever you wish for is coming to you, Scorpios. And in your career, you are going to be extremely successful. But again, you must be open to new opportunities that can come in a different form other than what you have wished for. So, you must be open to that. So, that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Scorpios.